Hi, I'm Lynn Saul, your instructor for Humanities 260. This is CRN or section number 21643. It's a very fast-paced 8-week course. We'll be covering a whole semester's work in just 8 weeks, so you need to spend a lot of time and stick to the deadlines. They're very important. This is the home page that you will get once the semester starts. Any announcements will be here, as well as information about me and also uh, our librarian, Keith Roche, and uh, Ask a Librarian in general. This will be necessary for your final project. I want to show you how to get around in the course. At the top here, we have what we call the nav bar or navigation bar. And the main ones that you're going to use are going to be content and assessments. So if we go to content, you will see a list of all of the modules that we have in this course and the various things that you'll need for that. Under Start Here and Resources, we have the syllabus, which is your guide for the course. It includes the schedule of work of the dates for all of the assignments. There's a very important module here called Helpful Hints and Course Resources. And this has some things that are not required but will be helpful for you to really understand the material that we're going to have in this class. And then for the first thing that you're going to do, there's the introduction discussion where you will introduce yourself to the class, and the introductory quiz that you will take to show that you've read the syllabus, poked around on the nav bar, different things, and understand what's going on in the class. Then we have each of the units. So, for example, we'll be studying Native American history, literature, art and music. There's a slideshow here on artists and a film that you're going to watch. And then it gives you all of the discussion assignments and the essay that you'll write at the end of the unit. And we have that for each of the units. The African American unit, the Hispanic American unit, and the Asian American unit. In addition to that, there are two special assignments that you'll have. One is to take an individual field trip, go somewhere, do something that is related to the ethnic groups that we're studying, write a report about it, and that has to be done anytime during the course. And then there's the final project. Your final project is an opportunity to really go in depth with something for the course. So, for example, you'll read a book by an author of one of the ethnic groups that we're studying, and then prepare either an essay or a slide presentation about that. So that's basically what's under content. Under assessments, you'll have the assignments, which are the unit essays as well as the final project for which you have to write a proposal and then submit the final project and essay or slide presentation. There are also a list of all the discussions that we'll be having, and you can enter the discussions through those links. Also very important under assessments are all of your grades will be listed, and they'll be listed individually, and then there also is a summary of all of your grades and how you do, so you can follow that throughout the semester and see how you do. The quiz that you're going to take in the next couple of days will be here. Another important thing is rubrics, so you can see exactly how each of the assignments is going to be graded. So that's basically how you get around. Under course resources, one thing that is here and is important is the class list, which lists everyone in the class as well as the and so if you want to email anyone or everyone, you check the box, or if you want to send an email to everybody, you can click on this check mark here and get this email form over in and send it. Of course, I'm not going to send this one. But this is a very helpful thing that you can use. So that's basically how you'll get around in the class. And if you have any questions as we are working through things, please feel free to email me. And I hope you enjoy a very good 8 weeks.